Passive income with apps. Did you know 46% of Americans start a side hustle with the hope of building a passive income source and having diverse income options to meet their numerous financial needs? What if we tell you that you can make money while sleeping, under your favorite blanket, and by just having a few apps installed on your cell phone? Well, in 2022, it is pretty much possible. Gone are the days when earning extra income required you to have an active side hustle. No, we are not against the side hustle culture, duh. What we are intending to do here is to make you familiar with yet another, totally safe alternative to earning a passive income with minimal effort in your free time. While we won't make big promises, like turning you into an overnight billionaire, we would definitely equip you with the list of best passive income apps available out there, so that you have diverse income options open to take you closer to your financial freedom. In this blog post, we've shared a list of 7 legit apps that can help you make some passive income. 1. Swagbucks, money in SBs. Swagbucks is a simple-to-use passive income app that has diverse options for you to earn extra income. You get SB points on doing specific tasks. Every 100 SB points on this app earn you $1. Further, the cash earned through these SBs can be transferred directly to your bank account linked to PayPal. Swagbucks is a search engine. Swagbucks, powered by Yahoo, is also a search engine, and it is safe to say that using this as your default search engine gives you SB credits occasionally. Earn SBs using swag code. Swagbucks also has swag buttons that basically code to earn money. They are usually posted on their social media handles like Facebook, Twitter, and even their blogs. By downloading a Chrome extension called the Swag button, you can get updates every time they post swag codes on their social media handles. Redeeming these codes will pay you often, meet a daily goal, and win money. Swagbucks also has yet another way to make you SBs every day. It sets a daily goal, and if you attain the goal consistently for at least 7 days, you earn money. For instance, 25 SBs if you consistently meet goals for 7 days, and 100 SBs if you are consistent for 14 days. Refer and earn. Yes, just a referral to a relative or friend will earn you SBs. You can ask them to make their account using your referral link. After which you have 2 options. Either take 10% of what your friend earns through the app, or if your friend earns 300 SB in the first month itself, you get a one-time 300 SB bonus as a reward too. Take Swagbucks surveys. Swagbucks also has partnerships with various companies that have their surveys. Taking at least 5 of these surveys will get you SBs. And the best part is, you still make free 5 SBs even if you are disqualified. You just need to spend 20 to 30 minutes to finish a survey and earn around 30 plus SBs. 2. Survey Junkie. Earn through surveys. The money earned via the same can be withdrawn through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Let us discuss how you can earn through this app effortlessly. Earning here is simple. The app will recommend surveys based on your preferences and interests. You can easily finish these surveys in 5 to 30 minutes. Not only surveys, but tasks like setting up your profile or attending a group session will pay you money too. Since the payout threshold here is low, you can withdraw every $10 that you have earned through PayPal. Isn't it amazing? 3. Inbox Dollars. Earn by reading emails. We won't be kidding around if we say Inbox Dollars is a fun way to earn. Earning on this app is like juggling between doing daily mundane activities like reading emails and fun activities like playing games. Moreover, they have paid surveys too, so you just need to spend a few minutes taking these surveys and get paid while doing so. Apart from this, they give you $5 for just getting started with their app. 4. Honeygain. Convert unused data to money. Do you often have a lot of unused internet data? If so, share it with the Honeygain app and earn dollars. Yes, you heard it right. Now share your data and earn money. Install the Honeygain app, choose your data level, and get started. You can also install it on various devices to earn extra money. Apart from internet sharing, you can also refer to this app for your friends and relatives. So suppose you refer it to a friend and the latter starts earning. In this case, you will get 10% of their revenue share too. Once you earn up to $20, you can request a payout. The money earned gets deposited to your PayPal account as soon as you finish linking the same. 5. Drop app. Earn while you shop. Shopping is legit important. You have to shop even if you don't want to. But what if you had an app that paid you to shop from the brands you love? Drop App is one such app that gives you drop points every time you shop from over 500 plus brands using this app. From groceries to beauty and even travel, this app has almost everything that you would want to shop for. The Drop Premium is also free to join. All you need to do is add your card to enjoy premium benefits and earn some extra points. Every 1,000 drop points here equals $1. 6. Robinhood. Get that dividend income. For the ones who are interested in investing on trading platforms, Robinhood can be a good option. Since there is no commission fee associated and it is easier to use too, Robinhood is the best for you if investing in trading stocks is your cup of tea. But in both these ways, you need to be super careful and do your research before investing. Patience and good research is the key to earning on this platform. It is always a good idea to try out various tactics and see which one gives you a greater ROI. 7. Google Pay can pay you too. Google Pay just isn't your normal online payments and transaction app. It allows you to earn too. Invite people to create an account through your referral link and earn. Plus, regular payments on this app will make you eligible for various rewards, cashback, and discount vouchers. Conclusion. It is a good idea to keep diverse passive income streams open for yourself for those emergency end-of-the-month expenses. For doing so, you can use any of the apps mentioned in this article to earn some extra cash in your free time. By investing in apps like Robinhood, you can make your money work for you while you focus on making more money through other means. The service offers you real estate investment portfolio options which are prudently selected and proactively grown to build your wealth. This passive income app is among the best to help you take steps to financial independence. The Fundrise app allows you to invest in large real estate projects without needing to own the entire property, exposing you to risk. You can invest small amounts across several projects to diversify your portfolio and not have all of your money tied up in one real estate investment. However, it should be kept in mind that none of these apps promise a sustainable income, so you cannot solely rely on them as you would on your 9-to-5 job. So what are you waiting for? Use these apps and make the most out of your spare time to earn some good bucks. On average, you need to invest 15 minutes. For example, in apps like Swagbucks where you get paid to take surveys, you would need at least 20 minutes to finish a survey. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.